Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet doily and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that doily, I will use Elise Baby's cream yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as usual, then make 5 chains, and close those slip stitch to make ring. Then make a chain and make 11 single crochet stitches inside that ring. As shown now, and cut our yarn, then join red color yarn to close with a slip stitch to close that round. Now I finished round 1, then I will cut the yarn as shown now and join red color yarn, then close with a slip stitch to close that round and start a new round. Now I start round 2. I will make 3 chains, and skip next stitch, then make slip stitch into the next as shown now. Then make 2 chains and skip next stitch and make slip stitch into the next and repeat with same sequences across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 3. I will make slip stitch into next 2 stitches as shown now, then make 16 chains, and close those slip stitch into same stitch to make a ring. Then make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now. Then repeat making 16 chains again and repeat with same sequence across that row. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 3 and I will start round 4. I will make slip stitch into next stitch as shown now, Then I will make single crochet into the ring of 16 chains from the previous row as shown now. Then make half double crochet into same ring. And make 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet into same ring. Then I will make 5 triple crochet stitches into same ring. Then I will make 5 chains and repeat for the next half of the opposite side into same ring again. So I will make 5 triple crochet again, then 5 double crochet, then half double crochet, then single crochet. Then I will repeat with same sequence for the other leaves. I will make it and I'll come back. Then make slip stitch into next 3 stitches between every ring and another ring. I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now to move from the first leaf to another leaf. Now I finished with the shape. Then I will cut the yarn and fasten off. Then I will join the green color yarn as shown now. Above first double crochet, then make 3 chains, that is round 5, I made 3 chains, then I will make triple crochet above double crochet into next leaf or second leaf as shown now. I hope that obvious for you, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible on my channel with that shape. Then I will make 7 chains and make 3 single crochet stitches into that space of 5 chains from the previous row. Then make 3 chains and close them with slip stitch to make a picot stitch as shown now, and make 3 single crochet stitches again into same space of 5 chains from the previous row. Then I will make 7 chains again and make triple crochet above first double crochet for that leaf as shown now, and make another triple crochet above first double crochet for the second leaf. Then I will repeat with same sequences across that row. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 6. I will join the yarn into third chain of 7 chains as shown now. Then make 3 chains and close with slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then make triple crochet between next 2 triple crochet from the previous row as shown now. I will make triple crochet here. Then make 3 chains again and close them with slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then repeat making triple crochet into the half of previous triple crochet as shown now. I hope that obvious for you. Then make 3 chains again and close with slip stitch to make a picot as shown now, and make triple crochet into the same place as shown now. And repeat making 3 chains. Now I arrive to the half of that leaves. Then repeat making 3 chains again and close them with slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then close with slip stitch to make a picot and make triple crochet toward triple crochet for the opposite side here to make another half of that leaves of that tree, crochet tree. Yeah. Then repeat making 3 chains again and close with slip stitch to make a picot as shown now. Then make triple crochet toward triple crochet for the opposite side and make 3 chains again, then close with slip stitch to make a picot again. Then make triple crochet toward triple crochet for the opposite side, that is the last triple crochet and make 3 chains again. And close with slip stitch to make a picot as shown now. Then make slip stitch into 5th chain of next 7 chains as shown now. Make a slip stitch to close that crochet tree as shown now, or tree leaf as you love. Okay, then cut our yarn and repeat with same sequence for another 5 leaves. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet doily with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.